back at you here on the YouTube network. First, I want to apologize to all you guys for not getting a video up sooner. I've been dealing with some freaking health issues and I'm a little bit broken, but I want to talk to you about the Phantom 4 Pro. Very, very nice bird. I am going to show you some video that I shot here in Northern California of the great flood we've been having. And I've been shooting news clips for the local television stations using that Phantom 4, and I've been taking some risk. So we'll show you that in a minute. The Phantom 4 compared to the X-Star Premium, I gotta give it to the Phantom 4 Pro, mainly because of the app. The app on a Phantom 4 is just far superior to the app functionality on the X-Star Premium. Now, the X-Star Premium has better quality than the Phantom 4 overall. It has better customer support than DJI, and it comes in a much better flight case, and it's cheaper. The Phantom 4 comes in the beer cooler, but the Phantom 4 has 5-way positioning system now, or 5-way obstacle avoidance. You see these little windows on the side here give you obstacle avoidance on all 4 sides and the bottom. The only place you're going to run into something is going straight up, so watch out for power lines. Now, I always shoot in 1080p. I don't know, I'll bet 5% of you guys out there shoot in 4K. It's just too cumbersome to work with on your computer. And 1080p is more than enough quality to post or put on social media or YouTube or wherever. The Phantom 4 fixed camera. The X-Star Premium removable camera that you can upgrade. And Autel is getting ready to come out with a camera that is not only an optical camera for regular video, but switch over and you've got a thermal IR camera, so infrared. I don't know how expensive it's going to be. I hope it comes in under $1,000, but we'll see what Autel does here soon. The other thing I want to mention is the Insta360 camera. I showed you this once before. I'm going to try to post my next video up to YouTube as a full 360 video. I can't combine it with this video because I can't put 360 video in with regular video. It won't display right. And you don't even have to aim this camera. You put it on your cell phone, you open the 360, the Insta360 free app, then you just hold the camera up. If you want you in the shot, then hold it out in front of you. If you don't want you in the shot, you got to put it straight over your head. In the app, you can choose fisheye, spherical, panorama. It stitches it together where there's no fisheye at all. You can look at it like you're looking at a photograph all the way around you. Check out the Insta360 over at insta360.com. So let me show you some video of the great flood here in Northern California in January. Here we go, let's put it to music. Pretty interesting, huh? Anyway, so go on over to acesdeals.biz. If you can't afford it right now, put the XR Premium or the Phantom 4 or the Phantom 4 Pro on layaway. Trust me, you can afford it. Make any payment you want. When you pay it off, he'll send you your drone. 888-239-2644. Or go on over to acesdeals.biz and check out his inventory. I promise you, you're going to get the best customer service and customer support you've ever had. Just don't get it from a big box store. You need the follow-up support because there are guys who have crashed their drones, and there's all the rest of you friggin' guys that are going to. Everybody crashes them. Hell, I put an Inspire into the LA River. It's probably out to sea right now. And that's going to do it for this edition of Demunseed. Don't forget to get on over there to acesdeals.biz and check out his inventory. You guys have a great evening. Do not forget to kiss that flabby ass wife of yours. And as always, make it a wet one. Demunseed, I'm out.